Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in the Bristol Railway. Yeah, the Bristol Blitz Railway, everybody. Look at this. It is incredible. Look guys.
Watch your torches that way because that's where people can see.
Alright.
We are now on the Bristol Blitz. Guys, this place is massive. I would have had the mic on that. Cut to?
Again. Right, which way do we go?
Hold on. When do we do?
You're too excited at the moment.
Look at this guys. We've got a padlock here, Mick. We've got a padlock here. Padlock. Can't go down there.
Oh, that's fine.
Let's stand here, guys. Quickly give it a quick spin around. Wow, guys. Look at all this. It's incredible. Oh, I'm going to come in.
Are you going down the mick? So are you going this way?
We're going to make that way. Stick together, mate.
Guys, I've been wanting to get in here for so long. I always been seeing this
Secret vault.
I actually seen your video when you went on there. You've been making me want to do it.
Look at this, guys. We're going down.
Check out Craig on the Game Centre. Check out Mick's channel as well, guys. There's so many fucking stereo and it'll be dead by the time I get back up. But anyway. Right, stick. Let's go this brick wall. But don't stick. As you can see, Mick's going to be down there. Craig is on me, as you can hear it. Now I'm trying to stick stickers on it, it's not working. So,
Stick them on the metal.
yeah, I'll have to. I'm going to do now. Caution, mind your step. Mind your steps, sir. Oh my god, guys.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
Used this in Bristol Blitz, guys, when the war was going on.
Oh lord. Look at that, guys. This is insane.
Careful with the sweat. Watch your slip.
He said that's what she said. Can't believe we're in, guys. What's through there?
Another set of stairs.
Huh? I am. Language, Timothy. There's a dry bit of brick there. Is it gonna stick? No, is it? Fuck.
That's too wet, mate. That's why.
Look at that, guys. Just goes down and down and down. We're now beneath Bristol. I am absolutely buzzing, guys.
Mate, there's not a lot of people been in here, I don't think.
Mate, I'm not buzzing. My knees are shaking, yeah? Swear. Huh? Go over there. Go over there, do.
Oh, let me film this. Let me know I'm going for a piss, mate.
Yeah, we'll do, mate. We're just on the next floor. Mick. Mick.
Yeah?
Our little boy's got a weak bladder.
Hang on. You what, mate?
I said our little boy's got a weak bladder.
A little boy?
Got a weak bladder.
What do you mean?
David.
Oh. I was just doing a short.
Oh, is it?
Fuck me.
Mate, he's right at the bottom.
David, make a pee for me.
I recorded that, man.
Did you? You can't see anything, I'll take that out.
It was with yours anyway.
A few minutes later.
Look at that, guys.
Get cracking on YouTube now, see how I'm pissing in the windows.
No brickwork was harmed in the making of this video. This is incredible, guys. Huh?
There's a picture on the wall.
I did put piss just flew down here now.
I wouldn't be happy.
You dropped the sticker, mate, it's on the floor.
Huh?
You just dropped the sticker right there.
Did I?
You didn't rip it off.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, it's empty, mate. He just wanted to get in front of me. Wow, guys. This is incredible, guys. I don't know how far this goes down.
It goes down, literally down to the clifton thing underneath the railway. It goes down like they would have chains of trains on it.
Oh yeah.
So you imagine if the Blitz is still on now.
And this is from World War 1 and 2, yeah?
Bristol Blitz. I don't know which one that is, but it's from there. But basically, what would happen is they have trains going up here.
Yeah.
That's why the walls are different. See, the walls are different. That's alright. So
Yeah.
you see the walls there?
Yeah.
You used to have trains. I think trains used to go up here, and then basically, in the Blitz, the soldiers would run down here, or maybe people used to run down here, and then they were getting the trains and get up the top.
Oh, fair play.
Underground, I think it is. So you're now underneath the suspension bridge. So you knew that little door I keep showing you?
Yeah.
It's there. You're there.
Oh, amazing.
See?
Which way did Mick go?
I don't know, but
He's this way. Some more stairs there, guys. Oh my gosh. This is incredible.
You remember I was saying what I said to you? Check this out. Oh mate, fucking see the trains used to go up?
Yeah.
That's what it used to be.
Oh, nice. Look at that, guys.
Little Bristol history, guys.
A little bit of a history lesson there from 2K.
Oh mate, I ripped it, it won't come off.
What are you trying to do?
I just stick it upside down, so I tried to put it back. But it's so sticky. Well,
That's what she said.
is that alright? These things, mate, but they'll kind of
Steps are quite shallow.
Yeah.
This is mental.
I'm shocked we got any.
You got pictures here?
Yeah. Yeah, see mate, if you have a picture of them, oh, Mick just found the pictures on the phone. You'll see it now. Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Wow, so some of this is the area shower, see? See the little area showers, curve, and
Yeah. Now this would be used in the war, guys.
yeah. And that there would have put all your air in and out. So any hard dust like asbestos probably, what they didn't know back then, would have probably gone out through them pipes and into the road
Yeah, nice.
without causing a damage or an issue. So one day, have you ever been to M Shed?
No.
I'll take you there. It's free. Come into the M Shed, grab your camera, go and look around the history, mate. It's all in there. You enjoy it. I've done it. You enjoy it, mate. And it's free as well, so. Some of the histories in there, and it'll show you all. Like,
Does it go any further down? Yeah.
How about you in there? Oh, you slipped.
Is this as far down as it goes?
I'm not too sure, mate. There should be another step stairs that should go up again. See? See when you drive past it every day? That's
Yeah.
the neck.
Oh wow, guys, that's what you drive past when you go through.
See?
Look at that, guys.
What's gone down there? Oh, here we go. Is that the upstairs of the museum? It's meant to be the museum bit upstairs.
Probably where it's went, isn't it?
It's probably up through that gap there.
Stuff on cast iron, fucking crap.
Got blocks on it, haven't
Some mechanical parts, guys. Some timber in there. An old toilet, guys. Wow.
And you would shout out. I called Mick with it upstairs. And I said, this is Mick's fire. I didn't look at that.
Guys, I guess it does go down a bit further.
Yeah, so,
And this is as far as it goes, guys. We're at the bottom.
yeah, see, it would have went up again. So the ladder?
Yeah, so we're going up and over.
Yeah, we're going up and over. And if you see the main door, like I was saying, the main door goes out to the main road. You used to go out the main road, so you used to come in for that door.
Yeah.
And everyone used to run in here and run into the airway when there was the first of blitz on the go. But what are you doing in my building?
Look at that, guys.
Oh, what's that, mate? Get up here. Get up upstairs here. But yeah, that's the trains of it, mate. Ridiculous. Oh, that's not good.
It's incredible, guys.
There we go. I won't go in there, but put the camera in, mate. All the old machinery bits are in there.
Look at that, guys. All the old bits of machinery. Get you a bigger shot, guys. I'm not supposed to go in here apparently, but never mind.
Yeah, the stairwell, so I'll go up somewhere else. I might be should go to the door. Another door. When I do the 800 labels, I'm going to take some of yours out. I'll print them after I've done the 800.
Yeah.
So I'll take some of yours, I'll do 400 for each, on one of the spare ones. We'll just split them in half and take half each. From other we'll split them up. So I'll take your half in the packet.
Take some of yours as well.
Yeah, I'll mix them up. And then if I grab out one, I grab out one, and you grab out one of these.
Wow, guys. This is amazing.
So you've got how they used to do all the work down here. Mick.
Where is he?
Mick.
He's back at the top.
It's hard to have such fire on the side. It's so far up, I can't hear you.
Mick!
He's gone, mate. He's too far up, so. So you remember the trains used to come up there? I swear the other stairs was somewhere else. Fuck me. I know, I mean about that fucking steps going up.
So wet down here, guys.
Mick, what's he set upstairs on this way, mate?
Alright, guys, nearly at the top. Oh, the next banner is. There he is. Oh.
Yeah, I feel like I did in Farley Down Tunnel. Is it me or is it like really humid in it?
It is humid.
I feel like a bit sick.
Can we all just sit down on the chairs?
That's what I just done. I had to sit down and felt a bit sick. Fucking the air's right then.
Yeah. Because you get an extra oxygen from above.
I felt a bit dizzy walking out.
2 days officially out on Enterprise. Give us about 5 minutes.
Nothing that way anymore. I was walking like that and I felt like sick, like ill.
Yeah. Cut that thing out, bring it back up.
But I am sweating like mad.
It should be a little, like a little hot office though. Unless that's some nice where that gate is.
That picture on the wall, that was the old BBC studio.
Yeah. I was telling Reagan about that, we used to use it all the more in the Bristol Blitz. This.
Yeah, it was earlier to show it. But I think that's what all the ducting is down the bottom in the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think they'd have had it for the trains, it's too modern.
Yeah.
It's mad that they've bricked it all up. Just think there would have been 4 railway tracks coming down.
Yeah.
It's a shame, isn't it? Because when Volt done it, I commented, I put, if you want to donate or anything to help them, I put the link.
Yeah.
And I emailed the woman and put, oh, can I join? Like, it's only a couple of quid. And he went, oh, sorry, the woman's dead. I was like, oh. So I think that's why we haven't done nothing to it.
Yeah.
I think it's still aimed by Clifton Rock, and that was it.
I don't know, mate.
I heard it quite different from the still a bit better.
So you're back now, 2K is back?
If I think I'm not doing Let's go keep talking.
Just take your time walking.
I don't know why I'm not.
Look at this, guys. Oh. Fuck me. These. Mate, I'm not being funny. If these stairs give way, we're fucked. It's a long way down, and it's even a longer way up. Well, it feels like that anyway. Hmm? I know, mate. Huh?
Just take your time in it for now.
There's no rush. I'm the same. It's very humid here, mate.
It is, isn't it?
Reagan fucking blinded my GoPro. My GoPro's like, nope.
I forgot I've been using this torch all day. I'm surprised expecting the batteries to go.
Yeah, but this handle's got 2 batteries built in, so one's for, I think one's for actually meant to be for when you're using it, but it's taking you down both, so. Got to come back.
This one's got a little battery that clicks in it. I was surprised to use all of it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Fuck this. Why did I not expect it to be this like hot and everything?
Because it's going down below the ground. I don't know, we were about, when we were right all the way down the bottom, I think we were around like, I don't know, 150 feet below.
Should we all just stand in the ground just to like get a picture right now? And we'll just turn around. Look, turn around for me, mate.
Oh,
Don't know if that's good enough actually. Hold on, Craig, when it will come. Ready? On now.
oh you no. Bitch. I said that, didn't I?
Yeah.
It's been on all day, I am trusting.
Steam coming off your light as well.
This one's reliable as fuck. I've never had this one go down at all. Yeah. Put it in candle mode, it lasts 2 weeks.
Nope. Still got another about 4 sets of stairs. Right then guys, don't forget, oh shit, hang on. Don't forget guys, smash that like button, head over to Mick Spanner's channel, link will be in the description. Also 2K Abandoned Places, his link will also be in the description. Smash the like button, subscribe, we'll see you on the next one.